Hi, I'm Stu, and today I'm going to show you the best way to get to campus from the university accommodation here at Ranmoor, Endcliffe. Along the way, you'll see some of the university's main buildings, and get a feel for what Sheffield has to offer as a city. Now, the great thing about our accommodation is that everything is within walking distance. However, if you're in a rush or the weather isn't great, you can always hop on a bus that'll take you straight to campus. But right now, I'm going to show you the best way to walk and stop off at some of the city's cool places en route. Okay, let's go. So this is Broomhill. It's a friendly corner of the city with a really chilled out vibe that's just 5 minutes from your accommodation in Ranmoor, Endcliffe. Broomhill has pretty much everything you need. It has a post office, pharmacy, cash machines, supermarkets, barbers and hairdressers, plus some great bars, pubs, cafes and restaurants. But if you can't find what you're looking for in Broomhill, then the lively and eclectic Ecclesall Road is just a short walk away, with even more to choose from. This is Goodwin's Sports Centre, home to Sports Sheffield, about halfway between the accommodation at Ranmoor Endcliffe and the university's main campus. This is where you can join one of the university's many sports teams, burn off some calories in the gym, or notch up a few lengths in the pool. Along the same road, you'll also find the management school. Here we are at the medical school. Whether you're a medical, dentistry or nursing student, this is somewhere you'll probably spend a lot of your time. It's just outside the Royal Hallamshire Hospital, which is an easy 10 to 15 minute walk from your accommodation at Ranmoor Endcliffe. It's also the home of the Cafe 1828, one of our university outlets. This lovely spot is Weston Park, one of the many green spaces in Sheffield. If you're a law or geography student, you might walk through here on the way to some of your lectures. The attractive red brick Edwardian building next door is Firth Court and was the university's first purpose-built building back in 1905. In just 3 years' time, you could be standing on these steps, in cap and gown, with a big smile on your face, having your graduation photo taken. Okay, now we're at the Students' Union building, the beating heart of the campus, and where you can join a wide range of student societies. This place always has a real buzz and has been voted the UK's #1 students' union for the last 10 years running. And it's not hard to see why. You can chill at the cafes, pop into the shops, catch a film at the cinema, or find some peace and quiet in the study spaces. Next door is the Octagon Centre, which hosts a great mix of entertainment and events all year round. This is one of our libraries called the Information Commons. It has a wide range of study spaces and great amenities, like the IC Cafe for all your food and drinks needs, so it's a popular spot for students to study. Just across the road, we have the Jessup West building. If you're an arts and humanities student, this is where some of your lectures will take place. There's also a tram stop, from where you can catch a tram directly into Sheffield Railway Station, Meadow Hall, or Sheffield Arena. Now we're at the Diamond Building, part of the engineering faculty. Inside, you'll find the Diamond Kitchen, lecture theatres, and of course, a wide range of study areas. Now, being a Steinway accredited university, students and piano lovers alike can sharpen up those arpeggios at the Department of Music just next door. Opposite is St George's. This former church has been converted into some unique university accommodation, so if you fancy a change in your second or third year, this might be an option for you. You'll also find Broad Lane, Mappin and Allen Court student accommodation located in this area. We're now outside the Mappin building and Heart Space. It's home to the engineering faculty, but its facilities, including the Heart Space Cafe, are open to all students. From your Ranmoor Endcliffe accommodation, it's just a 25 to 30 minute walk. So, as you can see, the majority of the university's faculties are within an easy walking distance. Did you know that Sheffield has more trees per person than any other city in Europe? There are several beautiful parks within walking distance of your accommodation. Crooks Valley Park, Weston Park, Endcliffe Park, and where we are now, the Botanical Gardens. What better place to end our walking tour? And I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of the many reasons to choose Ranmoor Endcliffe accommodation along the way. We look forward to seeing you soon.